A little bit about, I know yourself, as well as some of your other colleagues in our Advancing Professionals program, like Gavin Simon, have interviewed a few other young professionals this week here right on this podcast. Can you touch on some of those conversations?
Absolutely. Well, everybody's got a unique perspective, but what we've been doing is going around to, again, some of these new younger faces and saying, hey, would you mind hopping on camera for 5-10 minutes? We're kind of picking their brains about their experience throughout the forum. But we're also getting advice, getting tips from them for a younger audience, right? Maybe it's undergrads that are on the tail end, junior, senior year of their college career, and they're potentially looking to break into the industrial manufacturing or software markets. Maybe we're getting some feedback based on some of the session specifics or the keynote. So the conversations have been very broad, but also very specific. We've got some great feedback. I've made some great connections. Obviously added everybody up on LinkedIn, so I'm looking forward to seeing these guys again in 2024, and obviously staying in contact throughout the year until next year.